Welcome to CancerBot. Today we're going to do a search for using distance for multiple myeloma trials. So our disease is multiple myeloma. We have 10 eligible trials and a whole bunch of potential trials. These potential trials won't become eligible trials until we give it more information. Luckily, CancerBot's going to guide us to get that. So one way to do this is we can actually look at the trial and it will say, okay, what is it that we don't meet? The required age is 19 or 50. And we can go back and see, are there some more trials? Well, we're now eligible for that one. We can also just click on the missing item. So Karnofsky performance score, we can say, okay, we're a 90, and now that is filled out. We can click on stage, say, okay, we are multiple myeloma stage 3. We can click on this missing. It asks us to agree to contraceptive use. We say yes. Similarly, caregiver status, we say we have availability of a caregiver. It asks for ECOG performance status. This is the key for it. We are restricted in physically strenuous activity, so we're level 1. It asks for a relapse count. We've had one line, one last treatment. The relapse count is 1. It asks for ejection fraction. We say 50%. We're getting more and more trials here. Pulmonary function test results. We go ahead and get a pulmonary function test so we can be eligible for more trials. It asks for monoclonal protein. Let's see what it's actually getting at here. If we click in here, it says it's expecting a monoclonal protein of at least 200. This is now eligible. This one asks for monoclonal protein serum, and our value is 0.6. Blood level monoclonal protein. It asks for weight, say 190 pounds. Bone imaging results. This would motivate us to go ahead and get a bone imaging result. It wants diastolic blood pressure. Let's go ahead and give it our full blood pressure, 120/80. And now all the potentials have become eligible. It's a lot of trials, of course, 143. So let's go ahead and tell it our zip code. 201. And let's go ahead and enter a distance that we're willing to travel. Let's go ahead and say 1,000 miles. So we are now eligible for 24 trials within this radius. And in fact, there's a trial just a couple hundred miles away. Let's take a look at the interventions here. Okay, here's a cocktail with bortezomib, and that they're evaluating. Let's take a look at this. We do meet the serum monoclonal protein, the urine monoclonal protein, prior therapy, the minimum age. So this looks quite interesting. So let's go ahead and apply to the trial. And then all of our information is going to be sent, how we meet the eligibility criteria, and then the rest of our patient record will be sent as well.